Are you looking for the best above-ground pool ladders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best above-ground pool ladders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Confer Plastics 8-Frame. If you own an above-ground pool, then you need the Confer Plastics 8-Frame 7200 above-ground adjustable pool roll guard safety ladder. This ladder adjusts to fit pools that are 48 to 54 inches tall and has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. The large platform and 18-inch x 5-inch comfort steps make it easy to get in and out of your pool. The lockable roll guard barrier keeps children and pets safe when the ladder is not in use. At number 2, Blue Wave NE1145. The Blue Wave NE1145 premium stainless steel and pool ladder for above-ground pools is a high-quality, durable ladder that is perfect for above-ground pools. The ladder has reinforced stainless steel rails and is able to fit pools up to 54 inches deep. It also has a 300-pound capacity, making it perfect for larger people or multiple people. The deep, non-skid stainless steel treads make it safe and easy to use, and the pivot bottom allows it to accommodate sloped pool bottoms. The extra wide 24-inch width makes it easy to enter and exit the pool. At number 3, VinylWorks SLA A-Frame. If you're looking for an easy, safe way to enter and exit your above-ground pool, the VinylWorks SLA A-Frame 48 to 56-inch adjustable above-ground swimming pool ladder entry system with slide lock barrier and handrails is a great choice. This ladder features 4 base treads and a top platform tread for easy climbing and greater stability, and has a 300-pound load capacity for one user at a time. The slide lock design removes access to the ladder when the pool isn't in use, to prevent unwanted entry and injury. Padlock required for the slide lock ladder design, not included. Permanent safety signage includes no diving, no jumping, do not swim through or behind ladder, and secure ladder when not in use. At number 4, Confer Plastics Access Pool. Looking for an easy and affordable way to get in and out of your pool? Check out the Confer Plastics Access Pool Step 1. This step is made of durable white plastic and can support up to 400 pounds. It has a maximum height of 60 inches, making it perfect for pools with shallow depths. The Confer Plastics Access Pool Step 1 is a great way to make your pool more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. At number 5, Confer Curve Above-Ground Swimming Pool Steps. If you're looking for an easy, efficient way to get in and out of your above-ground pool, the Confer Curve Complete System Above-Ground Swimming Pool Steps with blue treads is the perfect solution. These plastic steps are designed for pools with a wall height of 48 inches and can accommodate up to 400 pounds. The blue treads provide a slip-resistant surface, and the handrails offer added stability and support. The steps are easy to assemble and can be installed in just minutes. At number 6, White Pool Deck Ladder. If you're looking for a safe and easy way to get in and out of your above-ground pool, the Main Access Easy Incline White Pool Deck Ladder is a great option. Designed for pools with decks between 48 and 54 inches tall, this ladder is made of high-impact, corrosion-proof material and features 4 extra-wide, graduated steps with non-skid treads. The handrails are also adjustable, so you can customize the ladder to fit your needs. Plus, the Main Access Easy Incline White Pool Deck Ladder comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. At number 7, Simple Step 30. Are you looking for an easy and durable pool step? Check out the Simple Step 30 inches Pool Step. This step is made of resin and is white in color. It is designed to fit above-ground pools that are 48 and to 54 in deep with flat bottoms. The Simple Step 30 inches Pool Step has a generous 27 in wide step for safe entry and exit from pool and double handrails for safe grip. It also has a 350 pounds weight capacity. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.